Okay guys, in this tutorial we're gonna learn about returns from methods. What that means is that outside of main method, right here, we will create another custom method that will produce some kind of results. But we will pass those results outside of that method. So main method or other methods can grab that result and do something with those things more. So that's the whole purpose of it. Not direct usage, but indirect usage. So let's create that method. Static integer will be a return data type, and let's just call it get stuff. Okay, and here we'll have simple scenario like integer x equals 10, integer y equals 20, integer z is result of, let's say, addition of these two numbers. Very simple stuff, but it will work. Now you will not say console write line z, because this is direct operation. What you need is to provide this z to any other method, including main method. Okay, so main method, for example, can grab it and double it, print it, beautify it, do something more. So how to say that? Well, it is not just about C#. You're gonna use this in many other programming languages. You are going to say return z. So when you say return z, momentarily that z is available to the rest of the world. I mean to the rest of your script or application. So let's use this z through this method in a main method with console write line. Console write line, and now we're gonna call this method get stuff F5, and z will be printed on a screen, actual value, which is 30, which is correct. Okay, so that's the whole purpose of returns of anything, to provide external world the possibility to grab that thing and do something on that, beautify it, whatever you like. For example, if you're working with strings. So question is, what about other methods that are outside of this main method? Can those methods grab this z? Well, sure. So we can do something like this. Static and integer, and not void, guys, not void. When you say return something, you must specify data type that is returned to external world. So static int, and let's just call it multiply by 2. So we're gonna multiply z with 2 in this method, guys, in this method. So let's do this. Well, how? We will just say integer, which is a data type, and let's have a variable for it. For example, result or multiplied equals, and now we are calling this method, which is get stuff without parameters, not needed in this simple case, and now we are multiplying that with 2. This is the name of our custom method. Okay, so it is very nice to enclose this in primary parentheses, basic parentheses, let's say, because this is mathematical operation. Is this enough? No. Now we need again return this multiplied whatever it is to the external world, so main can grab it. So return multiplied whatever it is as a result, and now down there we are going to use it. How? Well, we can say console dot write line, and on the left side we're gonna have custom kind of report result from multiply by 2 method, and we will connect that with a method call. So we are grabbing multiply by 2, and that's enough. Multiply by 2 and parentheses and that's it. Let me check. Okay, we have a return and everything is fine with this method. Okay, semicolon. Right, so now we will get 60 because z is 30 obviously from here, so 30 times 2 is 60. So this is the result of multiply by 2 method through multiplied return, which is integer. Don't forget data type. So F5 and 60. There you go, guys. That's the whole purpose of return keyword, to return stuff to external world so other methods can grab it, and main method. Sorry. So that's pretty much it in this tutorial. Thank you for watching as always, and see you next one. Ciao.